The 2025 Honda Camping Motorhome is here, and it's redefining what it means to travel in comfort and style. Welcome back to Name, where we explore the coolest and most innovative vehicles for your next adventure. Today, we're diving into this all-new offering from Honda that blends the practicality of a van with the convenience of a full-fledged motorhome. If you're dreaming of hitting the open road without sacrificing comfort or modern features, this might just be the perfect rig for you. From the outside, the 2025 Honda Camping Motorhome keeps a sleek, contemporary look that doesn't scream camper at first glance. It's built on a solid and efficient chassis, with aerodynamic lines and stylish LED lighting that give it a futuristic yet friendly face. Honda's attention to detail is clear with features like flush-mounted windows, body-colored panels, and a subtle roof rack system that blends seamlessly with the design. Step inside, and the transformation is astonishing. Honda has maximized every inch of interior space to provide a surprisingly roomy living area. There's a modular lounge setup with plush seating that easily converts into a sleeping space for 2 to 3 people. A pop-up roof adds extra headroom, and large panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the interior feel even more spacious. The built-in kitchenette includes a compact fridge, induction cooktop, sink, and cleverly hidden storage for utensils and supplies. For those long trips, you'll appreciate the climate control system, solar panel integration, and battery management that allow for off-grid living. Connectivity isn't sacrificed either. With onboard Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, and even a fold-out workstation, this motorhome supports remote working or simply streaming your favorite series while parked at a scenic spot. Driving the 2025 Honda Camping Motorhome feels more like handling a crossover than a bulky RV. With a hybrid powertrain under the hood, you get great fuel economy, silent electric cruising in cities or campgrounds, and a smooth ride overall. Honda's latest safety tech is also built in. Think adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation systems, all making your journey safer and less stressful. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time traveler, the 2025 Honda Camping Motorhome brings comfort, capability, and clever design to the road. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to Name for more awesome camper and motorhome content, and let us know in the comments, where would you take this Honda for your first trip?